Unlock your global wallet. Get your 2025 Skrill Debit card. Ready to spend your Skrill balance anywhere, anytime? The Skrill prepaid Mastercard is your key to unlocking instant access to your funds, online and in person. Forget waiting for bank transfers. Let's get that card in your wallet. Here's the essential no-fluff guide for 2025. Step 1. Check your eligibility, the VIP pass. Before you even dream of swiping, you need to be eligible. It's simple. Verified account. Your Skrill account must be fully verified. No shortcuts here. Location, location, location. The card is available only in authorized countries. As of 2025, you must check the official Skrill website to confirm if Nigeria is on the list, as availability can change. Sufficient balance. Have at least the card application or annual fee in your account. The standard fee is typically around $10 per year. Step 2. The application dash. It's a sprint. Got your VIP pass? Let's move. 1. Log in. Head to your Skrill account on a desktop or via the app. 2. Find the Skrill card tab. Look for it on the left-hand menu. Can't miss it. 3. Click Apply Now. This button is your best friend. You'll be asked to confirm your address. Triple check this. This is where your shiny new card will be sent. 4. Confirm and pay. Agree to the terms, and the annual fee will be instantly deducted from your Skrill balance. And that's it. Your application is submitted. You'll get an email confirmation faster than you can say financial freedom. Step 3. The waiting game and activation. Your card should arrive by post within 7 to 10 business days, depending on your location. Once it lands in your mailbox. 1. Log back into Skrill. 2. Return to the Skrill card section. 3. Click Activate Card and enter the 16-digit card number and your date of birth. 4. Retrieve your PIN instantly online. Pro tip. Memorize your PIN. Don't write it on the card. You are now ready to conquer the world, or at least the mall and your favorite online stores. Happy spending!